Seasonal Vegetable Planting Calendar. One of the secrets to a successful garden is planting the right vegetables at the right time of year. Every season brings its own opportunities, and when you follow a planting calendar, you give your crops the best chance to thrive. In cooler months, leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and cabbage grow beautifully, filling your garden with fresh produce. Carrots, radishes, and peas also prefer the gentle chill of winter and early spring. As the weather warms, it's time to sow tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and beans, all of which love the longer, sunnier days. Summer is perfect for okra, eggplants, and gourds, while in autumn, you can start preparing again for the next round of cool season vegetables. Following the natural rhythm of the seasons not only ensures healthier plants but also gives you a continuous supply of homegrown food. Instead of struggling against the climate, you work with it, allowing nature to guide your gardening journey. Over time, your garden becomes a living cycle, where each season hands over to the next, and there is always something fresh ready to harvest. A planting calendar keeps your garden alive all year, turning every season into a time of growth and abundance.